Hey gamers, if you ever spent a little too much on Fortnite or found a surprise charge on your account, listen up. Epic Games, the makers of Fortnite, are shelling out big bucks after a settlement with the Federal Trade Commission, and that could mean a refund for you. So here's the deal. Epic Games has agreed to pay a whopping $520 million. Why? Well, there are two main reasons. First one is privacy violations, and the second one is the dark patterns that led to unwanted purchases. Dark patterns are those sneaky designs that trick you into buying stuff without realizing it. If you ever bought an emote or skin by accident, you know what I'm talking about. Out of that $520 million, $245 million is set aside for refunds. And that's where you come in. If you think you're eligible, here's what you need to know. First one is that who's eligible. Gamers who are charged for items that they didn't want between January 2017 and September 2022. Also, for those kids who make in-game purchases without your permission as a parent. Also, if you have disputed charges with your credit card company and get locked out of your account. Some did get their refunds automatically in their email and was automatically sent to the payment method that is tied to their accounts. Now, if you haven't received an email and you know that you are eligible for a refund, simply head over to the FTC or the FTC's website. Don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. Simply hit on apply for a refund, fill out the form. You might need to provide some account details or proof of charges. And just a heads up, the FTC is handling this process directly, so don't fall for any scams. If someone asks for your account info or money to file a claim, it's fake. This refund process is still rolling out, so keep an eye on the FTC's website for updates. And hey, if you're eligible, why not get some of that cash back, right? And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.